Alright guys, we're back. Bitcoin's having a bit of a rally here, which is nice to see, but we still have a long ways to go, obviously. But there are some encouraging signs, like we did break a pretty major resistance if we zoom in on the 1 hour. My chart is a bit of a mess, but I'll clean it up in a bit. But anyway, this zone right here is a pretty major resistance to Bitcoin. You can see it tried to break through here and ultimately failed. But right now where it seems to be holding fairly well, I would like to see it pop a little more here soon. But you can see it's still making higher highs, higher lows, forming a nice little uptrend there. Same thing here on Ethereum, but it seems to be even more energetic, I guess. Has a little more energy to it. You can see there's this major resistance here that was broken. It was broken here in the past, but it didn't last too long. We'll see what happens here. Anyway, I did pull a trade through here right on the retest. It's a perfect bounce, and I actually did target 1.25 like I normally do, so I was out fairly quickly, just in a few hours. However, I'm starting to observe other risk to reward ratios on my trades to get some better data on how I should be targeting profit going forward. And you can see here, you know, a 3-to-1 would have worked well, you know, even, you know, you could go as high as 7.5 or whatever, but I'm just gathering data up to 3 and just doing it in steps of quarters. So from 1.25, 1.5, all the way up to 3. So we'll see what kind of data I can get from there and see if I can improve my profitability. But yeah, I'm just gonna jump straight over to Forex today. I do have a short here ready to be executed if, you know, we can see price return to that level. This is a pretty solid level, zone, I should say. We have a lot of touches on it on both support and resistance, and lately it's been crashing against it as resistance. So I'm hoping I can get triggered into this trade and maybe get some of a movement in my direction there. As for my live trade here, I have Euro AUD. It's been popping off this support for months now, all the way back since October. So it just retested it, and I figured it's a great trade to get into. So I did do a market buy. I'll need to update my my actual entry price here, but it shouldn't be too much higher than the zone here. But yeah, I did miss this this bounce. Otherwise I would have done a limit, but couldn't miss this trade, so I jumped right in. Here's another one I've been watching. I haven't committed quite yet. But yeah, we did break this resistance zone here. Well, we came through as a support, broke down, and now it looks to me like we're retesting it as resistance. It's not looking like it's breaking through yet, so I may go ahead and jump into this as a market order. See if I can't latch on to this resistance bounce here. So anyway, that's all I had for today, and yeah, we'll call it there.